Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm looking to buy volatility 50 index at this point. As you can see, I have my limit order set already. I have about 3 limit orders set on my buy zone. So what's my analysis, what's my view, and why am I looking to buy this index from this level? I'm looking out for the buy opportunities from this point. I'm expecting long-term buys on this index in the coming hours and days. Yeah, so here in today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys my view and analysis and why I'm expecting this index to buy from my buy level. So do well to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis. And if price is to get to my buy zone before my posting time of this video, I would as well give you guys an update on how this trade played out. All right, so coming to the weekly time frame, because you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look at future opportunities, I start from a high time frame. And this high time frame can be the weekly time frame, it can be the daily time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So I think we should analyze something from the monthly time frame. So on this monthly time frame, we can see that this index has sold for about a month now. The last month would say was a very bearish month. This candlestick can signify that. And this current month, which we have like 10 days left, haven't given any major move. We first got a bullish move, which part is pushing back downwards. So what do we expect of this index? Are we to see this index keep selling to the downside or get a reversal to the upside? I'm on the reversal side. Basically, I'm on the buy continuation side of this index. The reason is that this index is in an uptrend. Looking at the current trend of the markets, this index is in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows formation, right? And we have inside of this our uptrend, we have a level here. We have this level at this point, this level that price has expected a couple of times, getting market traction here, resistance, 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 resistance. So we have possibilities of seeing market traction on this level as well as a resistance. And we had an order block formation here on the monthly time frame, which market has been expecting. But I think at this point, this level price may not respect this level this time around, because we've got market respect this level a couple of times. Price first pushed up to this zone, sold from it as an order block formation, came back to it, sold, came back here, sold. So the last two reactions here has been inside of this zone, signifying that this level is getting faded out. So this level may not be respected in the coming weeks and months, but we could as well see this index sell to the downside. The markets would always do its thing, but I'm not really on the side of the market on this index. We could see this index sell to this level of support before the major buys. But I'm currently on the buy side of the market, because when we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that we've got this index sell for some time now. Like I said, on the monthly time frame, we've got a full month of bearish move on this index. So we can see it's clearly well broken down on the weekly time frame. We'll go about let's count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks of major bearish moves on this index, right? Then price approached this level, which is a strong level. Adding to this uptrend, the general trend of the market is uptrend, which we identified on the monthly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, the market is still saying uptrend. That's the reason why I'm on the buy side of this market, why I'm not looking out for any sell opportunity, why I'm expecting this index to buy instead of selling. Right, so we've got this formation in place. We've got our trend support here, our trend support at this point. Got price buy has a trend support, the buys, and our trend resistance, sell, sell, sell. This is our trend resistance. Why this is our trend support? So we have possibilities of seeing price push up from our buy zone in the coming hours and in the coming weeks and months, we'll say, because this is the weekly time frame. And we have this level as well to watch out for. Regardless of expecting the buy to the upside, watching out for this level, because we have a formation here that looks like an order block formation, which market could react to. We have this base drop, so we could see possible reaction on this level. But our first target level should be on this line, on this first line, the level of 256.3562. 256.3562. That's my major target level on this index. And if price can break above that level, if price can break past this level, then we'll get more buys on this index. And when we notice that the sales we've been getting here have been choppy, we've got an impulsive sell at this point. Here we got a corrective sell. After this corrective sell, we got this index follow up. We got these buys follow up here. So we got these buys. This is a corrective sell. We got the buys follow up. So this index is trying to repeat the same move, a similar move at this point. After getting this impulsive sell, we are getting the corrective sells at this point, which we are likely to get the buys flow up, right? Because analysis is basically using past market moves, past market reactions to predict future market moves. So you could see this index, you could get the buys follow up from this point. You get this index buy in the coming days, would say. So my buy point on this index is price selling down a little bit to this level on the 4 hour time frame. This level we've got price react on a couple of times. When we zoom out on the chart, we can see that we've got price react on this level like 5-6 times. Looking at this point from this zone, basically first sell reaction here, resistance here, resistance at this point, support here, right? Support at this point as well. Let's zoom out so you can see it clearly. Okay, support here as well, support on this level, support before this move to the upside. So on this same level, we got an order block formation, which I always look out for my entries. We've got this bullish order block, which is a rally based rally formation. So I'm expecting price to sell a little bit to attract more buyers. So I feel like this level basically is a very solid buy zone on this index, and that's the level I'm looking out for. That's the level I'm waiting for price to get to before I buy. That's where I placed my limit order, and I shared this buy setup on my public Telegram channel and to my VIP members. So once price gets to my buy zone, I will be sharing the buy signal. I'll be giving the buy signal on this index. So let's see what happens. It's been playing around for hours now. We've got these chopping moves, which I'm expecting price to drop down a little bit for the buys, and we can see that we got a trend on this 4 hour time frame, which is a downtrend formation, which is that corrective structure we spotted firstly here. Sorry, this corrective structure we spotted at this point, this corrective sell. So we got something similar here, corrective sell as well. So I'm expecting price to push up in the coming hours and days, would say. But before they push up, we should expect price to sell to our buy zone, which is at this point, as well as testing our trend resistance level, because this is our trend support, this is our trend resistance. So we have this horizontal resistance level and order block formation, and the broken level of a broken trend resistance level now turn support if price is to retest on it. Already got the retest here, but we're expecting a major retest. That's price selling down a little bit before the buys. So that's my expectations on this index, and my TP levels would basically be at this point. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame so we can have a clearer view on this. You can see where my stop loss level is at below this structure, this lows here, this last close. That's where my stop loss is at 231.9080. So price pushing down, I'll be taking the buys, and I'll be taking more buys. I'll be getting more entries here, right? So first TP level would be somewhere here, which I would set with my limit orders by the end of this video. First TP level would be on these highs. This level of price has reacted on a couple of times. You can see market reaction here, resistance as well. So my first TP level here, second TP level would be somewhere here, somewhere at this point. Third TP level would be at these highs. Then fourth TP level would be on this level we spotted on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, would say this general target level on these buys. So that's my view and analysis, and that's what I'm expecting basically on this index. And if I'm to take this buy trade, I would give you guys an update on how this trade played out. So for more market breakdowns like this and market analysis, do have to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chill me, guys. Let's do more and over for the